Hello, I'm Carl Hajal, Senior Automation and Software Segment Manager at Vention, and welcome to the Vention booth at Automate 2024. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you our groundbreaking one-click deploy functionality. Let's explore how this feature is transforming robot and machine deployment. Now, you can seamlessly transfer your program and machine configuration from the cloud-based digital twin to your physical machine. And this happens with just one click without interrupting your production. Imagine you can create and simulate your program right in your web browser, saving you the hassle of coding directly on your robot cell. And once your program is validated, deploy it easily with a single click to your physical machine. No need to stop your production for robot programming anymore. With Vention one-click deploy, you have the ability to create and deploy your program seamlessly. With Vention, take control of your automation journey.